Hey everyone, welcome back to another video and thank you so much for clicking. It's been long since we had a new upload. I hope you're doing great. I'm doing well, and today I'm back again with a very amazing video to share with you the process of making a cardigan sweater. It's going to be interesting, so stay tuned, watch to the end to see how it turned out. Yeah. To my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos, and thank you for the support. For the new subscribers, feel welcome. Please turn on the notification bell so that anytime we have a new upload, you'll get notified. So this is an order that I received from my customer. She basically wanted me to make some corrections on the sleeves, but I realized that the tension is different from my tension, and that means it was not going to give the best results. So I advised her that we unravel and start a new project, which she agreed that we do, and here we are. So let's unravel this and start making a new sweater. So I'm going to do that, and while we are doing this, please give this video a like, share, and leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think about this. Alright, so we have started making our sweater. I'm going to make 5 pieces, 2 front panels, 1 back panel, and 2 sleeves. And after that, I'll go ahead and make the ribbing. Alright, so right here I have all the 5 pieces, the back panel, and these are the 2 front panels. Yeah, and then we have the 2 sleeves. Yeah, so I'm going to assemble all the 5 pieces, making sure that each and every piece is at the right position before I start joining them together to have our sweater, which I'm doing right here. So I'll place all the pieces together. These are the 2 front panels, and then I'll put the sleeves at the right position and go ahead to join all the pieces using a darning needle. And after that, I'll do the front ribbing all round, going through the neck, and then I'll attach the buttons. Yeah, so all the pieces are arranged in the right position, and now I'm going to start joining them together. And when I'm doing this joining, I realize that I've made a mistake, so I'm undoing that part and then start over again to join, which is the beauty of crocheting. We make mistakes, and then when you realize that you've made a mistake, you just undo and start over again instead of ignoring that mistake, because it can cost you, especially when you are working on a customer's order. Right, so I'll do the joining and then start on the ribbing. Right, so I'm done with the ribbing, attached all the buttons, and here is the reveal of our sweater. I like how beautiful it turned out. Very beautiful. I enjoyed the whole process, and if you'd like to make an order of such a sweater, please reach out through the WhatsApp number that is on the profile and place your order. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video to this point. Please give it a like, share, and leave a sweet comment in the comment section. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please consider subscribing. And until next time, bye.